Students, this assignment is about adding variable products in your e-commerce website. Like I have given you one assignment about setting up an e-commerce website using WordPress and adding products. Last time you have added 50 products as a simple product. Now this time you have to define 5 variable products, either out of those already added 50 products. If your products don't have any variations, so you have to add 5 such products, those who are having different variations. Now let's move on to the demonstration how to declare any product as a variable product, or how to add a new product as a variable product. Now if you go down to this assignment which I have already shared with you, here one option is uh, this add 5 products with variations. So to add or declare variable products, you have to log in into your WordPress dashboard. So this is your WordPress dashboard, which looks like it. Now go to products option and click on all products. Now in my installation, I have only one product. I am going to demonstrate using this particular product. You can select any 5 product out of earlier added 50 products, or you can add new products to declare as a variable product. So you have to open this product in an edit mode. The existing product you need to open in an edit mode, and when you scroll down to this screen, you will see product data option. Now under product data option, by default you will see you have this simple product option. Okay, now from here you have to select variable products. Now the moment you select variable product from this drop down menu, you will see attributes and variations on this particular menu under product data. Now first we have to declare attributes. Now here our attributes are different variations. Like I'm having shoe as a product. Now shoes may be having different colors and different sizes, or accordingly you can go with apparel website with the different colors and different sizes. Again, cosmetics products may be having different colors also. Either in electronics products there may be a different models of the same product. So you have to define first those variables. Now, in case of shoes, we have only two variables, two variations. One is color and the other one is size. So here I'm going to click this attribute option to declare the attributes, or you can say to declare the variables. Now my first variable is color. So I defined this label as a color. Now just in front of this label name, you have to declare the values against this particular attribute. Now values may be white. There may be a situation the shoes may be having a white color, then black. Just see, I have entered a piping sign. Here you can see I have entered a piping sign, the perpendicular sign, which is available just above the enter key of your laptops or computers, which you can define by pressing shift and that particular key. Then again a piping sign. There should not be any space between piping sign before typing the piping sign and after the piping sign. Black and then blue. So I have defined 3 variations here, and then you have to ensure that these 2 checkboxes should be checked. By default, no doubt they will be checked, but again you have to take care these 2 checkboxes should be checked. Now I just saved these attributes. Now my first attribute has been added as a color. Second attribute I am going to add as a size. Now size may be 8, 9 or 10 in case of shoes. There may be more sizes also, but I am giving you a demonstration. So that is why I have taken 3 different sizes and then again save. Now once my both the attributes have been saved, I will switch to variations. Now I need to create each variation against each color or each side. So I click on this variation. Now in my case these are already added, so I am just removing these variations just to give you the demonstration how the variations will be generated and then what you are supposed to do once these variations have been generated. So I am removing all these variations which I have earlier created, giving some other demonstration. So you will be getting such kind of screen when you click on variation tab after creating the attributes. So to create the variations, click on generate variations, then you will get this pop-up window. From here you have to click OK. Then you will see in less than 2 seconds your variations will be generated. Now to make these variations effective at the front end for the user, you have to input data. Like, now to input data against each variation, you have to click this edit option. The moment you click this edit option, this the details related to this particular variation will be opened. Now here you can add the related image, and then you have to enter price for the product. If you are not adding price for the product, this variation will not be visible at the front end. So I'm adding a couple of prices against these variations to give you an idea how these variations are going to appear at the front end. So I have added prices for 3 different variations. So once I have added these prices under or against each variation, I will update the data by pressing update button. Each time you made any modification in the product information, you are supposed to click this update to make those changes effective. Now we have saved these changes. Now I'm going to see how the product will look in the front end. Now this is the front end. Now see here, these variations are appearing. So I'm clearing this again. Blue against blue, I have added size 10. So this is how you have to create variations for 5 different products. So this is all about how to add variable products, how to declare attributes against the products by adding attributes under the attribute section, and then generating the various variations for that particular products.